There we go. I've changed it around. Oh goodness, why is that sticking down at the boat thing? Duck! Duck, 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 duck. Oh my goodness, hello. Why is it in the boat? Oh. Anyway, we're facing the wrong way. Over there!
Those kids were.
Is that boat actually moving? We feel like we're not actually going any. Well, no, we are moving, aren't we? You two are right over there. They just like went down over there.
We want.
Huh?
We want more on about the danglies.
I'm waiting to hear their screams of terror in a minute at the danglies. There's a flamingo over there.
Oh yeah.
Do you think they're going to survive the danglies?
No.
They're going to get out before, round the corner before we float away because we're drifting away pretty quickly from them. Where are they? I don't think they're meant. Yeah, they're not meant to be there. We've lost them around the thing. We're a little bit too quick for them this time by the looks of it. And we're quick and slow at the same time. Can you be quick and slow at the same time? It's sort of weird. Charming boat ride.
Sneak.
Sneak. Maybe a sneak. It's quite charming. Keep spinning around, so if I'm spinning around, I'm currently facing the wrong way. There used to be a 4D cinema over there. It says cinema, but it's closed off and blocked off and all the other things.
I feel like they need like a animatronic in there.
I feel like it used to have something in it, potentially. It's like it should have anyway. Or if it did have something in it, it's not got anything in it now. Oh, we're catching up to them too. Me and you are drifting just really quickly. I think that's our problem here.
Yeah.
Turning around again. Don't think that door is supposed to be open. Really? Sticking out Peter. Oh, we're spinning again.
Oh, yes.
It's quite nice. It's just missing something really. Yay! They're catching up to us.
What's with all the ball pit balls everywhere?
I think there's a soft play where the balls have escaped from.
They're all over the park.
They are all over the park, aren't they? It's like a collectible collectathon almost. Oh, here we go. We have a water feature now. Little tiny Maui stone things. Easter Island heads. Eagle Rhino. Oh, he's got a hose in his mouth. Is he supposed to originally squirt water? If he was, I absolutely hate that. If any of them were, oh, they've all got hoses in their mouth, so they're all supposed to squirt water at one point.
I'm happy they don't.
I'm really glad they don't. This water's kind of like green-blue. If that makes sense. Oh, we're slowly drifting around. Sort of. Just getting in everyone else's videos. Turn the camera to face away. Oh, there's a big elephant. I just keep facing the wrong way for most of this video, and I think that's the weirdest and stupidest thing ever. Every time I film, I have to turn around and then the boat puts me around again. Just film everything backwards, it's fine. A bit of a rotation pod. This just looks like I'm going to be spinning constantly, to be fair, at this bit. As you can see, Sam is having a great time. I think. I had a great time on this one. It's nice. It needs music though.
It does need music.
It's got speakers. There are speakers over there.
Yeah.
But it needs music.
And play it.
And a lot of sprinklers aren't sprinkling. It goes around in troughs, I guess.
Yeah.
It's
a lazy river.
It's a very comfy river. It's charming. I like it.
Oh my god, I love him.
Who? The gorilla?
Yes, look at that handsome fellow.
He is a bit handsome. They're coming! I know, you're escaping. Not yet. No, however, we might get bumped by them over there. The troublemakers at the back of the group. Oh, he's kind of cute. Gonna get bumped by the troublemakers? Let's find out. Back into the station. No bump for us today, by the looks of it. I don't know. There is a chance that we might have them catch up with us. Potentially. Are they gonna get us? They might get us.
We're too far out.
I don't know, they might get us. There is a chance that they might actually hit us in this case. Is it gonna happen? It didn't happen before. It didn't happen before, so is it gonna happen? Are we gonna violent boat crash? Ah! Oh.
Oh, that was very anticlimactic.
Yeah.
So, welcome to the Themepark. Taken.
Nice little station though, with the slightly terrifying
Monkey.
monkeys. There's two of them. And the little bongo drum ones are kind of cute.
It's not human hands.
It does have human hands, yeah.